Good morning, everyone. Today, Saturday, 14th of September 2024, and today I am speaking life-giving speech from the planet Earth. And look up in the sky, here, atmosphere, beautiful clouds here, beautiful clouds up in the atmosphere, very beautiful, admiring here today. Weather so cool, so bright, so fantastic. Thank you everyone for watching my video. It's a beautiful one, very, very beautiful, admiring, fascination. Good morning everyone. Live from planet Earth. Really beautiful here. Amazing. Wonderful moment here. Live glimpse my video. HD quality here. Very bright, very clean, very beautiful one. Jute mesh plant, green in color, lips. Wonderful, inspirational things here, living things here, surrounded by natural things. And here comes the flower again, flowers. Beautiful, different varieties of colorful flowers here. Very admiring one. It's a fragrant, sweet, wonderful time. Look here closely, very closely here. Very, very admiring one. Beautiful flowers with the different varieties of colorful plants, leaves, and also with maize plant. Thank you everyone.